The history and significance of World Theater Day. World Theater Day was established in 1961 by the International Theatre Institute, ITI, to celebrate the importance of theater as an art form and its role in shaping culture and society. Every year on March 27th, the global theater community comes together to highlight the power of storytelling and performance. One of the key traditions of this day is the International Message, a speech written by a prominent theater artist reflecting on the role of theater in the world. Over the years, legendary figures such as Jean Cocteau, Arthur Miller, and Peter Brook have shared their thoughts through these messages. The celebration reminds us that theater is more than entertainment, it's a platform for creativity, social change, and human connection. Why theater is an essential art form. Theater is one of the oldest and most powerful forms of artistic expression, dating back to ancient civilizations. It serves as a mirror to society, allowing people to explore different perspectives, emotions, and human experiences. Unlike other forms of storytelling, theater is a live experience, creating a unique connection between the performers and the audience. It fosters empathy, critical thinking, and cultural awareness while preserving historical traditions and embracing new artistic innovations. Theater has also played a crucial role in social and political movements, challenging norms and giving a voice to marginalized communities. Whether through comedy, tragedy, or experimental performances, theater continues to shape culture and inspire change. Famous plays and performances that changed history. Throughout history, theater has produced iconic plays and performances that have left a lasting impact on audiences worldwide. Some of the most influential works include Shakespeare's plays, 16th to 17th century, works like Hamlet, Macbeth, and Romeo and Juliet continue to shape literature and performance art. Molière's comedies, 17th century, his satirical plays, such as Tartuffe and the Misanthrope, challenged hypocrisy in society. Henrik Ibsen's A Doll's House, 1879, a groundbreaking feminist play that questioned gender roles and societal expectations. Bertolt Brecht's epic theater, 20th century, plays like the Threepenny Opera and Mother Courage revolutionized theater by encouraging audience reflection. Lin-Manuel Miranda's Hamilton, 2015, a modern musical that reshaped historical storytelling and representation in theater. These works, among many others, demonstrate how theater can influence thought, inspire change, and leave a lasting cultural legacy. How different cultures celebrate theater around the world. Theater is celebrated in diverse ways across different cultures, showcasing unique storytelling traditions and performance styles. Japan, kabuki and no theater are traditional Japanese forms of drama, featuring elaborate costumes, stylized movements, and deep storytelling. India, Kathakali and Bharatanatyam blend dance, music, and drama to tell stories from Hindu epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Greece, the Athens Epidaurus Festival honors the birthplace of theater with performances of ancient Greek tragedies and modern plays. United Kingdom, London's Shakespeare's Globe Theatre keeps the works of the legendary playwright alive through authentic performances. Africa, rich in oral storytelling traditions, many African cultures incorporate music, dance, and masks into their theatrical performances. Broadway and West End, the world's most famous theater districts, in New York and London, showcase top-tier performances and musicals. Each culture brings its own flavor, history, and artistic innovation to the world of theater, making it a universal and ever-evolving art form.